Confronting an enemy doesn't always have to look like a physical fight. There are smarter, more strategic ways to claim victory without ever throwing a punch. This video outlines 7 effective techniques inspired by the Buddhist teachings to triumph over your opponent without resorting to physical conflict. So watch the video till the end. Do not skip even a single technique, as every technique is interconnected. You miss one, and you will probably not fully understand the whole concept. If you like the video, do subscribe to this channel and press the like button so that this message is shared with a wider community. Here are the 7 ways to defeat your enemy without fighting. 1. The power of patience. There is a profound Buddhist saying, "The greatest prayer is patience." Sometimes the most effective strategy is to simply be patient. Avoiding immediate reactions can prevent conflicts from escalating. Patience allows time for emotions to settle and for more thoughtful and peaceful solutions to emerge. Think of patience as a strong, silent tree standing firm through the seasons. In the heat of a conflict, patience allows you to be like that tree, stable, composed, and unshaken. It's about giving time its due course, letting the immediate waves of anger and frustration pass, and not reacting in haste. This deliberate pause creates a space for understanding and wisdom to flourish. In this space, solutions that were once obscured by the fog of emotions become visible. Patience is a quiet yet powerful force. It helps to disarm conflict, paving the way for thoughtful and peaceful resolutions. Embracing patience doesn't mean inaction. It's an active choice to wait for the right moment, to respond with clarity rather than hastiness. In this way, patience becomes your silent ally, turning tumultuous moments into opportunities for growth and deeper understanding. 2. Mindfulness and self-control. Practicing mindfulness allows you to control your reactions and emotions. Instead of responding with anger or aggression, you respond with a calm and clear mind, which is essential in de-escalating conflict. Picture mindfulness as a serene and calming force within you that steadies your thoughts and emotions. When faced with an opponent, this mindful awareness helps you to pause and breathe, resisting the rush of anger or impulse. It's like being the calm center in a storm, where you observe your own reactions without getting swept away by them. This self-control is not about suppressing your emotions, but understanding them, allowing you to respond with clarity and wisdom rather than react out of frustration or anger. By practicing mindfulness and self-control, you not only steer through conflicts with grace, but also set an example of peace and resilience. It's like planting a garden of tranquility in your mind, where patience and thoughtfulness bloom, guiding you to act in ways that foster understanding and respect, rather than discord and regret. 3. Let go of ego. Many conflicts arise from the ego's need to be right or superior. By letting go of your ego and the desire to dominate, you open up the possibility for peaceful coexistence and understanding. Buddha said, "You only lose what you cling to." Imagine the ego as a tightly clenched fist, holding onto its beliefs and desires with rigid stubbornness. Now, picture the act of unclenching that fist, releasing the tension and opening up to a world of possibilities. Letting go of ego means moving beyond the need to always be right, to win every argument, or to dominate others. It's about acknowledging that our perspective is just one of many, and that others have valuable insights too. This humble approach creates space for understanding, compromise, and mutual respect. When you let go of your ego, you're not showing weakness. Rather, you're demonstrating strength and maturity by choosing peace and collaboration over conflict and strife. It's a liberating experience that not only diffuses tension in conflicts, but also leads to deeper connections and more meaningful interactions. By embracing this selfless perspective, you become a catalyst for positive change, fostering an environment where empathy and cooperation flourish. 4. Seek mutual understanding, not victory. There is a famous Buddhist quotation, "Victory breeds hatred. The defeated live in pain. Happily the peaceful live, giving up victory and defeat." Aim for solutions that benefit both parties. A win-lose scenario only prolongs conflict, but a win-win scenario promotes harmony and understanding. Imagine approaching every disagreement not as a battle to win, but as a puzzle to solve together. This perspective shifts the focus from defeating the other person to finding a solution that benefits everyone involved. It's about listening actively, acknowledging different viewpoints, and working collaboratively towards a common goal. When you prioritize mutual understanding, you move away from the destructive mindset of winners and losers and towards building bridges of empathy and cooperation. This doesn't mean compromising your values, but rather finding a harmonious ground where those values can coexist with others. By adopting this approach, conflicts become opportunities for growth and learning rather than sources of division. You not only resolve the immediate issue more effectively, but also lay the foundation for stronger, more respectful relationships in the future. Seeking mutual understanding cultivates a sense of community and connectedness, showing that in the tapestry of human interaction, every thread is valuable and necessary for the whole. 5. Emphasize peaceful communication. Buddha said, "Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace." Focus on peaceful, honest, and empathetic communication. Speak with the intention of understanding and reconciling differences rather than proving a point or winning an argument. Imagine your words as a bridge, connecting you with others, even those you disagree with. In every interaction, especially during disagreements, choosing words and tones that are calm, respectful, and compassionate can make a world of difference. Peaceful communication is about truly listening, not just waiting for your turn to speak. It's about expressing your thoughts clearly and kindly, without the intent to hurt or provoke. This approach fosters an atmosphere of mutual respect, where all parties feel heard and valued. When you communicate peacefully, you're not just exchanging words, you're cultivating an environment of trust and empathy. Even the most challenging conversations can become opportunities for growth and connection, transforming potential conflicts into moments of shared understanding. By prioritizing peaceful communication, you become a beacon of harmony, inspiring others with your ability to navigate difficult discussions with a heart full of understanding and a voice of calm. 6. Understanding and compassion. Understanding and compassion is a powerful tool in transforming conflicts. Buddha once said, "In the sky there is no distinction of east and west. People create distinctions out of their own minds and then believe them to be true." Imagine walking in your opponent's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes. This deep understanding reveals their fears, hopes, and motivations, allowing you to approach them not with hostility, but with a heart full of empathy. Compassion emerges naturally when you truly understand someone. It softens the rigid walls of conflict, opening doors to peaceful resolution. By embracing this understanding and compassion, you're not just navigating away from conflict. You're also planting seeds of kindness and empathy that can bloom into unexpected friendships and harmony. This approach isn't just about resolving a dispute. It's a transformative journey that enriches your own life and potentially touches the hearts of others, turning adversaries into allies with the gentle power of understanding and compassion. 7. Cultivate loving kindness. Metta. Metta is a central tenet in Buddhism that has the power to transform your interactions and worldview. Imagine loving kindness as a warm, gentle light radiating from your heart, touching everyone you encounter. It's about nurturing a genuine wish for the well-being and happiness of others, even those you may consider opponents. This practice involves seeing beyond our differences and recognizing the shared humanity in all of us. When you approach situations with this sense of universal love and goodwill, it changes the dynamics of interaction. Conflicts become less about winning and more about understanding and compassion. Metta isn't about agreeing with everyone or accepting wrong actions. It's about maintaining a compassionate heart, even in challenging situations. By cultivating loving kindness, you create an inner peace that influences those around you, often softening hard stances and opening doors to reconciliation and mutual respect. This approach doesn't just make the world a better place. It enriches your own life, filling it with empathy, joy, and a deep sense of connection to others. To conclude, remember, the goal is not to destroy your opponent, but to transform the conflict into an opportunity for growth and understanding. By approaching conflicts with a Buddhist-inspired mindset, you promote peace, compassion, and mutual respect, leading to more harmonious and positive outcomes for everyone involved.